Before calling the professional, maybe it's DIY-able.
Welcome to my IKEA Kitchen makeover project. In this video series, I will guide you through the entire process, covering everything from HVAC relocation, tile installation, and electrical work to disconnecting gas lines, plumbing, and of course, installing IKEA kitchen cabinets like a pro. Let's get started. This time, we're going back to a basic topic, Demolition 101. Some people have asked me how I remove the old kitchen cabinets installed by the builder without damaging them. While anyone can use a sledgehammer to demolish cabinets, I'll show you how to carefully uninstall them so they remain intact and in their original condition. This way, they can be donated to a charity organization. The first step is to remove the screws on the sides of the cabinets that connect them together. These screws create a unified structure and enhance stability. Typically, there are a couple of screws on each side. Next, we remove the screws securing the cabinet to the wall studs. For the slim cabinet, there was one screw at the bottom and one at the top. After removing both screws, the next step is to take off the cover panel on the left. Surprisingly, it's held in place only by silicone caulking. Use some force to wriggle the cabinet, and the entire unit should come off effortlessly. It remains intact without any damage. The next cabinet is more challenging to remove. There is a common issue many people encounter. I will show you how to deal with that. We began by following the same steps as with the first cabinet, removing the screws on the sides that connect it to the adjacent cabinets. Then, we worked on the back and removed the screws securing it to the wall studs. Although all the screws had been removed, the cabinet wouldn't budge. Even with forceful wriggling, it seemed stuck. We need to troubleshoot the issue and find out why. To avoid accidents, we used a quick grip clamp to secure the cabinet in place. The problem turned out to be the silicone caulking that was installed on top of the backsplash. Believe it or not, silicone caulking is incredibly strong. Using a razor utility blade, we carefully cut through the caulking. Almost there. There is one minor issue with the veneer edging strips. Bingo! The cabinet came off with zero damage. We have some more cabinets to remove. Remember, that's where we left off last time after relocating the HVAC duct and PEX water pipe? If you missed that, check out the video. I will post the link in the description. It's common sense to remove the wooden shelves first. Once that's done, the remaining steps are the same as before. See? It's straightforward. I think you got the idea. Let's move on to the base cabinets with the granite countertop. Start by cutting the silicone caulking along the edge where it meets the backsplash. While many YouTube videos recommend using an oscillating tool to cut between the granite and the base cabinet, if you're not concerned about damaging the granite, I suggest using a dead blow hammer. This is one of those must-have tools for your toolbox, strongly recommended. Tap it from below and on the side, and the entire granite countertop should come off. This method works well for small, rectangular granite countertops. Look, the base cabinets are in good condition. I hope donating them to a charity organization can help people in need of a kitchen. This is a short video. I hope this helps. Give this a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy DIY.